So did you watch yesterday's video, Raghu, where I shared what are the top steps, 5 steps we need to follow? Did you watch that video or not yet?
Uh, yeah, I watched.
And did you complete any of those 5 steps?
So I just registered. So in Telegram actually.
Right. But did you get the TradingView subscription or anything like that? Or
No, nothing else. So are you able to see my screen?
no, not yet. So in this session, we are doing it from the base, from the scratch. So if anybody who did not do, so this is our step 1, where you get the TradingView plan. So it seems some members are not able to see that 70% discount. You can always start with that 1 month of free plan, and then later you can get a monthly essential plan, or you can get. If in meantime, if we see any other good deals, I'll let you know. But yeah, step number
Sure,
1 is
this is Srini. I registered for TradingView. I started with a free trial, but once I logged in back, they gave me 60% off on the premium plan, 50%, 30% like that. So I
okay.
registered, and based on your suggestion, I created a ticket with them for the 70%. So I'll
Okay, cool.
let you know if I hear back something from them. But 60% is what currently I could get for the premium plan.
Okay,
Just
yeah, that's good. Yeah. 60. Maybe you may also get that 1 month of free trial, so that makes it nearly to 70.
yeah.
So yeah, Raghu, did you? Yeah, we'll go to the second step later. But Raghu, do you want to subscribe to the TradingView plan?
Yes, Kishore.
Yeah, click on that link which I shared in the Zoom chat.
Okay.
Yeah, you can click on that join to unlock $15 reward. Yeah, you can click on email. Yeah, you can put your email. Yeah.
Oh, that $15 one I didn't know, so I'll call them and I'll find out. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe I didn't use the link that you sent. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so everyone else, if somebody did not start any of those 5 steps, you can start. You can just click on that link which I shared. So you'll get that $15 credit for your future use. Yeah, you can go to your email address and verify this. You might have got a.
So, Kishorji, this is Parag. If I already have account with TradingView, what shall I do? I mean, shall I do log out first?
If you already have it, then you don't need to worry about step 1. You
Okay.
just did you fill the Google form with your TradingView username?
No, I did not, but I'll go ahead and do it a little quick.
Yeah. In meantime, you can go and fill that Google form with your TradingView username.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
which
Again, as I said, essential is good enough. So you can start with essential. If you want, always you can you can
so
upgrade
this
to
is
premium.
the subscription only for the first stage, right, Kishore?
Right. Right. Yeah. Basically, you will get access to the TradingView platform. Yeah, you can click on that
So
try free for 30 days.
Kishore, I sent you the $100 and also I have filled the Google form.
Yeah, sure. I'll provide the.
So let me unshare the screen and
Yeah, sure. Yeah, you can unshare and just fill these details.
And for Replicant, I did not do it yet, so I was like a little confused. How can I do that? Shall I uh, shall I send that money to you? And
Yeah, for
how does it work?
Replicant, if you want the discounted bulk plan price, you can sell it on my email address, which I'm sending one more time. You can
Okay.
just send. You can sell it on kishore.ramraj@gmail.com.
Okay.
Yeah, you can stop sharing Raghu and you can complete this step.
Yeah, Kishore, for the starting, right, do we need step 5, the replica, for now?
If
For the
anybody
phase
want to
one?
just to try with one account, you don't need Replicant. For example, you want to get 3-4 accounts of Apex, or 3-4 accounts of Allied Trader Fund, or you want to get 2 accounts of this, 2 accounts of that. So then you need Replicant. So you can, at the same time, you can complete evaluation stage 1 in all different accounts at same time. But if you want to start slow and just to test it with one account, then you don't need Replicant. After 1-2 weeks also you can buy it. It is up to you. If you want to do it seriously and take it, then yeah, because it is a lifetime license. If you pay $100, you can use Replicant for lifetime.
Okay.
If you want to just try with one account for 1 week, 2 weeks, and once you become comfortable, once you gain confidence, then you want to get more accounts, then you can get Replicant at that time. So it is up to each individual based on your budget or based on how much you want to invest. Based on that, you can decide to start now itself. So if you have Replicanter, basically that will help you to complete, right? When you take a trade in one account, the same trade will get copied into 10 or 20 or 30 accounts at same time.
Okay. So,
when you say multiple accounts, Kishore, like is it like multiple firms account?
Right. It can be within one company, you may have 10, 20 accounts, or you can have 5 accounts here, 5 accounts there. Yeah, you can copy in between multiple prop firms or within a prop firm.
So,
So yeah.
Kishore, I have a doubt in replica. Like, if we are doing evaluation account, so I was going over the list of suggested, recommended prop trading platforms that you posted in Telegram yesterday. So I'm selecting this platform called TakeProfitTrader.com, and the first step is to do the evaluation over here, right?
Mhm.
So if I need to do the evaluation over here, and if do you think like I can also do simultaneously the evaluation in couple of other prop trading platform, or like I'll just get started with this one and see how comfortable I'm with, and then
So
probably
that's
like
what. So there is no restriction. You can do evaluation in all 20, 30 companies at same time, right?
oh,
So it is up to you. Do you want to start very slow, right? Go in a conservative way where you just take one account, try for 2, 3 weeks, and then once you gain confidence, you want to add more accounts, get Replicanto. That is one way. Or you want to take advantage because anyway, if you're trading in one account, you want to copy the same trade into another 10, 20 accounts, right? Maybe. Or so it is based on your budget or your thing. But yeah, you can use Replicanto, you can do copy trading in evaluation phase or performance phase. There is no restriction. You can get 3-4 accounts from TakeProfit Trader. You can
oh,
get 2-3 accounts from Tradify. You can get 3-4 accounts from Allied Trader Fund. And then you can connect all these together with the help of Replicant.
so the evaluation account itself we can take 3, 4, is it?
You can take any number of evaluation accounts. There is no
Okay.
restriction on number of evaluation accounts. When you log in, when they're using the same email, same password, you can add as many accounts as you want. But there is a restriction on the stage 2 accounts, right? For example, Apex will give you up to 20 performance accounts. Elite Trader will give you up to 20 per file, right? You may get 25, 30 evaluation also. They will give at a time, they will give only 20. Maybe if you hit a stop loss on few accounts, then they will give you few more.
Okay,
Like that, Take
why do
Profit
we,
Trader will give five pro accounts. Tradify will give you 5. So there are some companies which give you 20, but evaluation, there is no restriction. You can get 20, 30, 40 also. It is up to you. When there is a good deal, if they have some 90%, 91% off, better you get more accounts, because after 1 week again they may give 50% off at that time.
okay.
Kishore, one question on the Tradify, you posted some discount, right? It seems like that's not a monthly plan and it is a yearly plan for 100K.
That
I
is a
think it was,
lifetime plan actually. Yeah, you as long as you don't hit the stop loss, you don't pay again in the lifetime. Even though it says as yearly, but yeah, you don't pay again in the lifetime. That will
but if we
continue
hit
for
a stop loss, we need to basically purchase again.
right. Yeah, if you hit stop loss, you have to start again.
Oh, okay.
So that's where I said if you are experienced, if you know, then you get those Tradify sim funded. So directly you are entering into stage 2. Directly whatever you make, that is like a real money. But if you are completely new, then you better get the stage 1 account, so that if you make mistakes, you are doing it on a small, the less investment accounts, not on the main account.
Yeah, I've taken one Tradify and a couple of them in Elite. I wanted to now combine into all of them into Replicant and use your indicators.
Right, right. Yeah. So Raghu, are you done with the trading view thing?
Yes, Kishore. Yeah. So are you able to see my screen, right?
Yeah, we can see it. Yeah.
Okay. So can I? What do we do now?
Yeah. Step 2, right? Basically now, so are you planning to mainly use the indicators for personal accounts or for prop firm accounts? What is your
So,
plan? You can
so for
also do both, right? It is not or. If you want, you can do both in personal and prop firms at the same time also.
so for time being, I want to use Proform accounts only.
Okay.
So
So
afterwards, I can add my personal account as well, right?
right, right. Yeah, you can add it later. Yeah. So you're done with step 1. You're done with step 2. Now step 3 is personal accounts. Now let us skip that step. So step 4 is you sign up for prop firms. And how many prop firms you want to sign up? Do you want to get 1 or 2 prop firms, or you want to just to start with 1 account? It is up to you based on your budget or based on your style.
So I want to do 2 at a time actually.
Okay, you want to start with any 2 prop firms. Okay. So one of the best one is this TakeProfit Trader, because once you complete evaluation, you can request for multiple payouts a day, right? There are some prop firms like Tradify, Apex, where you have to do minimum for 2 weeks. Then every 2 weeks, only one time you can request a payout. So within the 2 weeks, for example, you made 3,000. Suddenly you took some bad trade. Again, all that money may go. But with the TakeProfit Trader, you make $500, you go and request for a payout. You will get it in next 1-2 hours. You will get the payout. Again, go and take a trade. Again, make some $200. Go and request a payout. That is the advantage with TakeProfit Trader. No other prop firm, right? So this is one of the best prop firms where you can request payout multiple times a day.
Do we
So
have
you
a
can,
discount code for this?
yeah, we have 50% off discount code. So yeah, you
Can
can
you
Yeah,
click
I'll
post?
on,
find.
yeah, you can click on that link. I shared the link in the Zoom chat.
Kishore, this is Srini. On the step 2, how do we get those indicators into our TradingView account? I logged into TradingView, but I don't see them. I don't know whether any specific step is needed.
Yeah, Raghu, can you go? Can you go back to your trading view?
Okay.
I think you need to click on Start Chatting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now, yeah, click on the declare status. So you select non-professional, right? If you are doing it as a hedge fund or something, you have to select professional. If you are doing for your personal purpose, you select non-pro. Yeah, confirm and continue. Back to markets. So now you need to give what is your TradingView username, which is right. Go to the top left corner beside Apple. You see R, right? Yeah, click on there, and then yeah, go to that profile. Click on profile. So just copy paste this. Copy this your username Raghu for RVK. Just copy that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you open that Google form which I shared?
Oh, okay, it's already here.
Yeah, the TradingView indicator details, right? The first tab.
Okay.
Yeah, just go there and fill your information here. Yeah, put your email.
It's,
Yeah, 3 indicator plan and so here, yeah, you can select the T5 price pulse. The first one is price pulse, and then at the bottom you have T55. Yeah,
this one RCT50.
right.
Okay.
Kishore, quick question. How do I upgrade from 3 indicator to 5 indicator?
If you want to upgrade, you can basically get the 5 indicator plan, and then you can let me know. So I'll send the prorated refund for your 3 indicator plan.
Okay, this is by the end of my 3 indicator plan, right? Or I can do it in the middle of the month also.
You can do in middle also.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Here you can put not applicable. For example, right, let us say after 1 month you want to use top trend instead of price pulse. Then you will come to this form and you will say, yeah, please change to top trend from price pulse, like that. Yeah.
Is there any way that you can send that Google form into the email? Is it possible?
Uh, Generally, I think you will receive an
Because the
email.
thing is, the my phone has a email like Google email, and I can't access it actually. Somehow it blocked me. I don't use that much, so.
Mm,
Did it submit?
Yeah, I submitted actually. So
I think still I don't see it. I don't think you submitted it.
oh,
Yeah, sure. I submitted the Google form like an hour ago. Um, have my email ID. Do you think like it is enabled in my profile? Can you please check?
Whoever filled it, again, if you're a paid subscriber, it is already, I provided the access.
Okay, so we are from pooled investment.
No, pooled investment, I am not giving anymore. Earlier, when it was at a loss, I gave it, but now we don't have any free subscription.
Okay, like
Only, yeah, if you get a
uh,
3 indicator plan, I am giving additional 2 for free for the pooled investors.
oh, so we need to subscribe to the 3 indicator plan, and then we'll get the 2 additional.
Right. That
Oh,
is, yeah.
I think we submitted the Google form like even before like 6 months back once, but we did not.
Right. I already gave Ninja indicators, all those things at that time. So,
Okay,
and also now our fund also is in nice profits, right? Earlier it was in loss, so I gave free alerts and all those things. But
okay.
Kishore, where do I see the indicators? Did you already provide it to me? This is Arun.
yeah, so yeah, I'm giving access to Raghu, so everybody can follow the same steps just like Raghu.
Sure, sure.
So I provided access to Raghu now, and Raghu, and
टैप
then
कर आई कंफर्मेशन का टैप कर नोटिफिकेशन आता है.
So yeah, Raghu, can you just log out and log in once?
Yeah, sure.
And all the other new members who I provided access to all the members who filled the form and who are the paid members. You have to just log out and log in. So for 5 indicators, the same 3 plus reversal plus top trend. They are the best 5.
Yeah, Kishore garu.
Yeah. Can you open a chart? So go to products.
Okay.
Now go to indicators, right? After Apple, you see indicators, right? So go to invite only. And so everybody can follow the same steps. You go to your open the chart, go to indicators, and you click on the invite only. Then you will see all these indicators, which are like for our magic pattern. Yeah. And then make that as favorite and just click one time.
Kishore, sorry, can you repeat the step?
So you have to go to open any chart on TradingView.
Chart, okay. Chart,
And
okay.
then click on the indicators.
Indicators. Is it on the
Right
right?
at the top you see indicators, right? After Apple daily time frame, then you see indicators there.
Apple, Nasdaq, and there is an indicator there. Huh? Okay. Okay, indicators. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, click on that and then click on invite only.
Invite only. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I see.
Right. Anyone else need any help there with that step?
Do we have to star it? Do we have to select it? Add to favorites?
Right. Yeah, you add to favorite and click it one time.
Okay.
So and then Raghu, what you can do is if you move these T5, T55 to the top, it looks much better. So what you can do is you click on that, there is an arrow symbol there. Go to So move it one more time. So it will go all the way to the top. The T5 itself. First move the T5 to the top.
Okay.
Yeah, click one more time.
Okay.
Same thing, right? For T55 also, you can do the same thing.
Okay.
So now what you do is T55. So everybody, did you complete that step?
Not yet, Kishore. We're just clicking to put it to the top.
Okay. Yeah.
The whole chart is completely filled with colors, actually.
Yeah, I'll help that out.
Kishore, I see only 3 indicators. I paid for 5. Do I need to see 5 or only 3?
Who is that?
This is Karthik.
Let me see.
In the farm, I didn't pick any because I wasn't sure which one to,
Maybe Karthik C trading. Okay, yeah, because I think you kept only 3. Okay. Yeah, I'll add the 2 more for your profile.
Where is the price pulse here? I see T5, T55. Oh, price pulse. Okay.
Yeah. So is everyone done with that step? Yeah, I added 2 more, Karthik, for your profile. If you just go to another tab and go to
behind actually.
So if everyone done moving it to the top, T5, T55, then what you can do is go to T55. right? You come to this, right, where you see 100, 200, right, on the right side. Come little bit down. You have that A and L, right? Click on
Yeah.
the L. Yeah, click on L. So that will make it. Yeah. So everybody, you click on that logarithmic. Go to T55 indicator. Click on logarithmic. Then it will show you whether the buyers are in control, sellers are in control.
Can you show it again? Sorry, I was doing here.
Yeah. So once you move T5, T55 to the top, you go and click on that L symbol, L logarithmic.
Yeah, there's too many indicators. How do we move those to the top? Sorry.
Yeah, Raghu, can you show how to move it to the top?
Yeah.
You have a up arrow. You have to just click on that up arrow. Then the pane will move to the top.
Okay.
Issues for me, T50Y is coming twice and it is kind of overlapping. What mean?
You can delete one instance.
Okay.
Oh, they're just interchanging. They're not going all the way. Okay, it went up now.
Where is the option to delete? Is there option to delete here?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. After that arrow, up arrow, you have just like a recycle bin. Yeah. If you click on that, that will remove the indicator.
Okay, I moved now. So we go to T55, you said?
Right.
For me, T55 doesn't look like that one. I only see buy and sell signal. I don't see any
You have to,
that.
yeah, if you click on that logarithmic, then you will see that. You have to click on that L symbol, L button.
Can you show it again one more time, please? Yeah. Oh, okay, there in the bottom. Okay, I see it. Yes.
Once that is done, now you need to go and make setting changes for the price pulse. So now your T5 is set, your T55 is set. So the next step is price pulse.
Oh, for
So,
T5 also we need to do the same, Kishore?
no, T5 you don't need to do anything. Just move it to the top. That's it.
Okay, yeah, T5 is there, T55 is there.
Yeah. Okay. Now, yeah. Raghu, can you right click on the chart? Just right click on the chart. Go to settings. And first, status line. You go and remove that arguments and values. Everybody, you just right click on the chart at any place. Once you right, and then select settings. Once you do that, you will see all these symbols, status line. Then you have to remove that argument and values. Yeah. Now go to trading. And you select that instant order placement, right? Yeah, now you can say okay. So the other setting you need to do is if you want to change this table size, you don't want this much big, right? So that you can see the chart more clearly. You go to price pulse. Yeah, go to settings, which is the second button. If you scroll all the way down, you have that, right? If you think the right side is comfortable for you, you can keep bottom right, or you can put bottom left. And then table size also, you can make it as tiny. Yeah, say okay. So in that way, you will get more space. You can see the chart more clearly.
I'll change it.
So is everyone done with this step?
The trading setup on the settings, like status line.
Status line.
Yeah. Done with the 3. Do I need to do anything for the other 2 you just added, Kishore?
No, nothing. They are by default.
Okay.
So
On my chart, Kishore, I see too many lines. I don't know whether if I'm missing something. Can I share my screen for a moment?
yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you. Well, it's not allowing me. Okay. Yeah, you see, it's showing.
Yeah.
I think I have some additional indicators or something.
So can you hide that top trend? Just come to top trend and hide it. And also, right, in that, select 5 minutes there. After Apple, you select 5 minutes instead of 15. And then you also, right, after that, you have the candle type. That should be a normal candle. It should not be line, right? Before that. Yeah, click there. And then you have to select the second one, which is candles, not the bars.
Okay.
And then you do some zoom in, zoom out. So you don't need all this data. So you click on one day. No, so at the bottom you have 1 day, 5 days, right? Yeah, select 1 day. And now, yeah, come and you scroll down on the price. Scroll up, scroll down, so the chart will be much clearer.
Where is this one?
Yeah, just drag, click on,
This is what.
you can drag on the bottom y-axis and also on the x-axis. So we want to see only last 1 hour candles, right? You select 5 minutes for time being.
Okay.
And then you drag at the bottom and also you drag on the x-axis. So
This one.
yeah, just on the price you scroll it up and down on the price, the 244, 243, like that. Yeah, there you get right on the same. Yeah, now move the chart this side.
This one I can move it. So this one also I can. Okay. Maybe too many indicators are there, I think. So this is T5, this is T55, right? Okay. Okay. Is there a way we can set this range? Like it's okay. $1 T55 is what we had. We had something extra. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So now Raghu, can you share it back?
Yeah, you can take it back. Okay.
So, right, yeah, one thing we need to, right, so the next thing you all need to do is you can add the watch list. So generally we use, right, for stocks, if you want, you can, right, I'm sharing it in the Zoom chat. Raghu, can you click on that link? So once you click on this link, you will see a web page like this. So you don't need to manually add one by one stock. I already have some good stocks which generally move. Yeah, you have to click on save as watch list. And then these are like top 100 Nasdaq stocks, top 100 S&P stocks. So you click on the save button. So is everyone done with that? So you are basically adding the stocks watch list, some top major stocks which generally move every day with a good volume. So if everyone is done with that, then you, in the same way, you can also do for the futures.
Did
Do you
you
have a
send
separate link for the
the
futures,
Yeah,
Kishore?
right. This is the futures watch list, the second link. Yeah, you can click on save button.
I think my Google form is not working.
What do you mean by not working?
The form I cannot open and fill it. So I cannot do all this. So when you guys are doing actually.
You can share the username here. I'll give you the access. Yeah, TradingView username.
The TradingView username. Just a moment. I can find that. Yep. It's HIYA RUTVA
Can you
22.
copy paste that in the Zoom chat? HIYA.
RUTV
Mm-hmm.
as in Victor, A as in Apple, 22.
HIYARU. Is it T or P?
No, T as in Tom.
Okay, then
V,
YA.
V, v as in Victor, A as in Apple. Or I can.
Okay, yeah, I see that. I gave you access to. So I gave access to all the indicators now.
Okay. So what should I do now? I mean, I have to start from scratch. I'm so sorry.
Right, you can just log out and log in. So basically, we are completing the step two, or yeah, step one, step two. We are completing everything. So step one, you got a TradingView subscription. Step two, you got the indicators. Now you are adding all those indicators to the your TradingView profile, so that every day you can use that. You don't need to depend on alerts or anything. Whenever you see a good setup, you can take the trades and make money with stocks, futures, options.
Is it based on the buy and sell what you see there, or any additional?
Yeah, we need to look for the confluence, right? You just don't depend on just to buy and sell, but you also look if, for example, your T50, when you get a strong buy at the bottom, your T55 is also showing some blue bars. Your T5 is also showing some green line. Then that is the best signal. So
So
all
is
the
there
three
a
soft. Yeah, there are trainings and every day in live session you will learn all those things. But on a high level, if all the three softwares are telling buy, we'll buy. If all the three softwares are telling sell, we'll sell. If one software is telling buy, one is telling sell, then we will ignore that signal.
is that the table you're talking about in the bottom left, which we pinned?
No. For example, on T55, you see a strong sell. Raghu, can you go to that strong sell? Yeah. Come little bit later. After that, no. In T55, you see a strong sell, right? Come to the middle of T55.
Strong sell. Yeah. Okay.
So you have a strong sell in T55,
Oh, T55. Okay.
right? Yeah. Go little bit later. Right. Go little right. You see a strong sell there.
On the top. Yeah. Little top.
Oh,
Yeah.
this one.
The top. The next one.
The next one, yeah, strong sell, right? In the red color, that means sell. Green color means buy, strong buy.
Oh,
So you got a strong sell at the top now, right? Strong sell, and you see some orange candles. That means it is very bearish. At the same time, T5 also showing that it went all the way to the top, started dropping, right? Go little bit up. So now you
It's by
can
a
see that.
particular time frame, right, Kishore? Whenever we are
Yeah,
doing live.
yeah. Generally, we use 5 minutes for our day trading. So yeah, if you are in 5 minutes and you see this type of setup, that is a perfect opportunity. So you got a red dot. That means sellers took the control, and you got a strong sell there. And here in the price pulse, it went all the way to the premium zone. That means price will drop. So if you just do puts or do bear calls, you short anything, you will make nice profits.
Okay. T5, T55. What about price pulse here?
Yeah, at the bottom you have price pulse. You
Okay.
can see that price pulse also from blue it turned to red.
Do it turn to red. Oh, okay. That one. Okay.
So if all of them turn to red at the same red or orange at the same time, that is a or same time or within 5 minutes gap, then that is the best opportunity. You can short and you can make $300, $400, $500 with one trade. And you copy that into 10 companies, that is a $5,000 gain.
Okay. Right.
So yeah, but again, as part of live sessions, you will learn all these things. So let's focus mainly on the setup. So
Sure.
now
Kishore,
your indicators.
Kishore, can you help us to explain how we can move that corner table towards left in the price pulse?
Right, yeah. Go to price pulse, go to settings, and in the inputs at the bottom you have a show dashboard. There you have table position. You can change it to top or bottom, wherever you want.
So can I share my screen? I don't see those options.
Yeah, you can share it.
Okay, 1 second, I'll share. So can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, go to price pulse settings.
Yeah.
No, the next one. Price pulse.
Sorry, price pulse. Right. Okay, this one.
Yeah, go to settings. Go to inputs. Yeah, at the bottom. Yeah, scroll down.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, size also if you want. Tiny is good enough.
Okay. Kishore, one more question. I have subscribed for 5 indicator. I see only 3 right now.
Yeah, just open a new tab. You will see all the 5.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just click on the new tab. Yeah, go to indicators now.
Okay.
Yeah, wait a minute.
I see only 3.
Let me see one more time. It is SUBVAL, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, yeah. Open one more time a new tab.
Okay. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah. No, only 3 of them. Yeah. Invites.
Now go to
Yeah, I
invite
can
only.
see, right?
Right.
Yeah, got it. Yeah, now I can see. Thank you.
Mhm. So anyone need any help until this time? I hope everyone added the watch lists. One is
The background, sure.
Mhm.
Background is white for me. How do I change it to black?
There is a setting there. If you share your screen, I will tell you.
Okay, one. Nice. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Does this look good? All the 3 indicators?
Yes. Yeah. Only thing is you can. Yeah, you are still seeing a lot of data from Friday. All those things. You don't need all this. You can try. You can zoom in a little more bit. So
How do I do that?
uh, remote control. Okay. You got the access now. Can you go back there? Go back to trading.
I need to give you the access now. You got the access?
Yeah. You got the access.
આનો પાસવર્ડ તો ભૂલી ગયો, પાસવર્ડ હવે કેમનો સેટ કરું ખબર નહીં પડતી આનો. I have no idea, man. ટ્રેડિંગ વ્યૂ નો વખત પેલાનો કરેલો છે.
Ese é um account, esse é não. Tomar serva já não?
You can change the background. You can go to canvas background. You can change the color.
If you click on that username, there is an app setting. I think that's where we have to change the team.
So I face this issue in my case also. In settings now, if you go to text, change the color to white. Otherwise, price does not come. This issue I was also facing.
Right. So here you have
For some reason, for me, the price pulse chart is not moving to left bottom. I tried.
Instruction on its way છે પણ where the instructions go? Yeah.
So anyone need any other help?
Hi, Kishore.
Yeah, Ram.
Yeah, actually, I remember that. I'll share the screen. Can I share?
Here, once you make the changes, you can give a layout name. So whenever you open the next one, you will have the same layout.
Kishore, I need to do it a little later because I think my account is locked up. I need to call TradingView and reset it.
Yeah, that's
So
fine.
can we do it later?
Yeah.
All right. Tomorrow, today?
Tomorrow evening again, same time, we'll have a setup session.
Oh, okay. Please send me the link. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Does it look
Every
good
day
now,
it will be
Kishore?
the same. Yeah, it is good now. Yeah.
Kishore, I'm trying, and mine is pretty clumsy actually. I was also thinking let me play around with it. I don't want to waste your time too much because
Sure.
the chart looks really confusing for me because so many things. But I wanted to play it with for some time. Then, if you are setting up a call tomorrow, that will be of great help actually.
Yeah, every day we'll have the setup sessions.
Okay.
Yeah. So now your indicators are. So Ram, what is the issue you are having?
Yeah, I remember that actually these numbers are different from I sent a telegram message. Numbers are different. This buy and sell block numbers.
No, they will be right once you connect to any brokerage or any prop firm, then you will see the right numbers.
Actually, we try to even connecting to the interactive brokers. I see the similar numbers. Do I need to enable anything in the for streaming in the interactive brokers?
No, are you paying for data to interactive brokers?
No, not yet.
If you are paying, then you will get the real-time data. Otherwise, IBKR also doesn't provide data for free.
But why it is different from my friends and mine? How come both are connected?
Again, for example, if he is connected to Webull, which provides the real-time data, and you are connected to IBKR, which doesn't provide you the real-time, unless you pay a fee to IBKR, you don't get the real-time data. That might be the reason.
So you might have connected to something. Basically, I connected to TradingView, but he connected to the
TradingView will only give you the futures data.
futures. Yeah, those numbers are good actually. Those numbers are matching. Even with the paper for his paper, mine is TradingView matching. But for the stocks,
for the stocks, paper account will always have 10 minutes delay.
10 minutes delay. Okay. But even both are connected to the paper trading, it should show the same thing, right?
Both are connected to paper trading. Yeah.
I reset everything, all settings, application, complete TradingView settings, and I put only price pulse on both.
So by any chance, are you paying for data to TradingView?
I am not paying.
Or is he paying? There might be some difference.
Okay.
The premium is different and data is different.
So he might be taking the data plan.
We don't need data, right? While I was subscribing, also it was asking for additional $150
No,
per
if you want
day.
to trade futures, if you connect to prop firm, they will give you the data. For stocks, if you have IBKR account or Webull account, something you connect it, then you get the real-time data from those brokerages.
Okay.
Kishore, what are the steps for connecting to Webull or trading IBKR?
We'll go to those steps. So you have to, right? For example, you open a new tab.
Is this the last step where we connect to these firms and then do Replicant?
Right, but yeah, that is right. So just like you connected to TraderView, you have to create a new tab and go click on the trading panel, and you can select a brokerage. Let me just
Sure.
show
One
you.
question: this sell block, buy block, do we see those in these charts?
Yes. Yeah, you will see them.
Okay, sure. Those buy block and sell block sizes and percentages, are they different depending on the connections we have, or they are same across everybody?
Again, if you have real-time data or you are connected to a brokerage or a prop firm, then you will see everybody will see the same. If you are using same candles, all those things.
I don't have any other connections. I mostly trade on a Thinkorswim. So in that case, they won't give any accurate data?
You need to either buy the data or you need to connect any of the brokerage prop firms. Otherwise, you won't see the accurate data. You need to, right? One of those things should happen. Either you need to buy from TradingView or you connect your chart to any brokerage like IBKR, Webull, something, which
Even
will
though I
be.
don't, even though I don't trade on those brokerages, at least prop firms.
Prop firms are only for futures.
Okay. So
you'll
what
get.
are my what are my options now? Because I don't use IBKR or those.
So you can buy, right? You pay $7 or $8 per month to TradingView. Then they will give you the real-time data for all the stocks.
And where is that option?
Okay, to see the buy block, sell block, you need that $7 plan, is it?
Again, I told you, right? If you connect to Webull, Webull will give you the real-time data. You don't need to pay anything. So again, your price pulse will pull the data from all the order books everywhere. But
Okay.
you need to have real-time data. So either you connect to any brokerage like IBKR or Webull, then you will get the real-time data.
Only
Or
those are prop firms also.
prop firms will only give for futures. If you want the data, those sell blocks, buy blocks for futures, then prop firms will give you that.
Okay, so can you show us how to connect to prop firms or the individual accounts?
Yeah. So for example, you click on this new tab. So, Avanish, can you give me control?
Yeah, sure.
Sure, I need to log off now, but I'll connect on tomorrow's call. I'll do some R&D on my side.
Sure. Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for all the help, Kishore.
Yeah. No. So you can connect to only one brokerage in one tab. So for example, in one tab, you can connect to TraderWay. You want to connect to Webull in another other tab, right? You want to do stocks in one tab. You want to do futures in one tab. So like that, you have to connect to different tabs. And then at the bottom, you will see trading panel. Getting refreshed.
So you just open a new tab from where did you open a new tab? From the file menu or from within TradingView?
Within TradingView.
Can you show us again?
Yeah, I'm not able to see that actually.
So for example, right, you do a click on this and say duplicate tab.
Click on the top, okay.
It's a browser duplicate, right? It's yeah.
So yeah, once you do that, click on the trading panel at the bottom.
Okay.
So once you click on trading panel, for example, if you have IBKR, you click on IBKR and provide the credentials. You have Webull, click on Webull and then give your credentials. Then it will give you all that. Yeah, it will connect you to the Webull interface.
Okay, so after trading panel, you have to select the platform.
Right. Yeah. Whichever platform you want to connect, you have to select that and then provide the credentials.
So, Kishore, so if we connect the more trade brokerages, we get more data and it will pull all those buy block, sell block data. Is that right?
Right. Yeah. If you connect to TraderWeight or any futures prop firms or any brokerage, where you can do futures, then it will give you all the futures data. In the
I mean,
same way, if you
just for SPX to get a more accurate data,
Right. If you connect to either Webull or you connect to IBKR, then you'll get the SPX real-time data.
I do see actually the orders and the size with percentage, but if we connect more, we get more data.
No. So yeah, if you connect to one
Yeah.
brokerage or two brokerage, so if you see something like this, then you're good.
Oh, okay.
One
Even with
question is
connecting, I'm able to see actually. I don't know. So right
one
now,
right, Kishore, for Tradify also it connects to, it uses trader weight, and Allied Trader also it uses trader weight. So in that case, I have to connect couple of times trader weight in the different tabs and connect.
No. You cannot connect to the same brokerage on different tabs. So that's where Replicant will help you.
Okay, so can you show us that
Only
step?
yeah. So if everyone is done with this step, only one more step you need to know is how to create an alert. So for example, if I want to create an alert on SPX, right? I can go here, click on alerts, and then I can select like, okay, if I want to create a T55 alert or I want to create alert on T5, you have to select T5. And then if you select this trend change, that means whenever bullish from red it becomes green or from green it becomes red, you will receive a notification. You will get a notification here. So you have to click on the create button. So select the indicator T5 and then select the trend change and then select once per bar close and click on the create button. So like that you can create for different symbols, then you will receive notification like this. Okay, this price is changing or reversing from uh, bullish to bearish like that. So that is a good time. So if suddenly price is dropping from bottom to the top, then you will receive a notification because you cannot keep watching all 15-20 charts. Then whenever you get a notification, you go and see, okay, this is red, this is red, this is red. You can buy the puts or you can do the bear calls or you can short ES and Q like that. Right? Yeah. Once it is done, basically your TradingView step is done. So your step 1, step 2 are done. So Raghu, do you want to share your screen again?
Yeah, Kishore.
Yeah. Kishore, 1 minute. This Pradeep, actually name is with Avanish, but can I share my screen for 1 second?
Yeah.
For RC top trend, what kind of alert do we need to pick, Kishore? Is it strong buy sell or super buy sell?
Super buy, super sell is the best one. Second best is strong buy, strong sell.
Okay.
Kishore, the RC price is overlapping with the index actually, the feature. So
No, you
how
have to
to
just drag and drop on the price, right? On this x-axis, y-axis. If you just do some drag and drop, just to zoom out, zoom in on this price. So you have to click on this, yeah, where you see the $260, $270. You click on there and you drag it up and down here.
Yeah. Okay, I'll check later.
Okay, yeah.
So, Kishore, are you going to show how to connect to prop firms later? Of this,
No, now itself we are going to do it. So yeah, Raghu, you can share the screen.
Yeah.
So again, I'll share the recording. Everybody can just follow what we are doing here. So Raghu, did you subscribe to any of the prop firms or you have to still do it?
No, Kishore. So I need to do it actually. And
Okay,
before that,
then
I have a question actually. So for alerts, for T5, I selected as a trend change. So what is the second alert we need to use?
so generally, you can also do the T55 strong buy, strong sell.
Okay.
Yeah, that one's per bar close. But you are doing it on 1 hour. We generally do 5 minutes because we have to close your trades at the end of the day for mainly for prop firms. If it is personal accounts, it is okay. You can do on 1 hour. But if you want to do on the for the prop firms, you click on 5 minutes there instead of 1 hour time frame. You can have these alerts. You close this.
Okay.
Yeah, instead of 1 hour, select 5 minutes there. Yeah, now you can create the alerts.
Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah.
Yeah. Now can you go to right? So do you want to open an account with TakeProfit Trader?
Yes, Kishore.
Okay, then yeah, you can click on that link which I shared. I'm sharing one more time. So now, yeah, go to get started now. And then generally for new, if you are experienced trader, 50K is good because quickly you can make the target. If you make 50 to 53, you will get the real account. Then you can start making money. But if you are a new user, you better get a 150K because that will have a bigger stop loss. So you won't blow your account. So yeah, what I suggest is, yeah, you can start with 150K. That will help you to practice. And yeah, click on start now. And then yeah, you can put your email. So you want just one account, or if you want, you can also open one with Tradify or Trader Fund something.
$150K is $180 per month.
Right. Yeah. If you complete the target within 1 month, you don't need to pay again.
Okay. So when selecting a trading platform, what trading platform you need to select? Trader it is why?
Yeah,
The first
Trader. Right, the first one. Yeah.
So I haven't received any email actually.
Yeah, it will just take a few minutes.
Check
Go to
spam,
last.
because I just
check
got
in the
it.
spam. Yeah, check in the spam. Go to your email and check in the spam. Right, yeah. Yeah, report not spam. You click here. Now go and log in. Yeah. Now click on login. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. If you want, you can stop sharing and
yeah.
So like that, it's a you can take one account or 3, 4 accounts. It is up to you based on your budget with each company. Or you can just start with the one company, 150K account, practice for 1 week. Once you gain confidence, you can get more accounts. So it's all up to you.
So if you take different accounts, we need replicant, right, Kishore?
Right.
So we need to pay money to you for that, right? Or we need to sign
Yeah,
up somewhere.
you can directly go and sign up also, but if you go and directly sign up, you have to pay 199 for lifetime license.
Okay.
If we do as a bulk, then we get it for $100.
Okay. So we need to sell you money, right?
Right, yeah, you sell that $100 to my email address.
So this TakeProfit Trader is the evaluation account, and how much profit we need to make before it converts to the actual account?
Again, based on the account size. If you take 50,000 account, you have to make 3,000 profit. Then
150?
150, you have to make 9,000. So it is just basically for every 50,000, you have to make 3,000.
9,000 in time frame?
There is no time frame, but if you complete within 1 month, you don't pay for the second month. But you can take 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. It is up to you.
And there is a trailing loss and all those rules, right?
Right. Yeah. You should not lose more than 4,500, I think, or 450K.
Kishore, do we have time? I just got into. Can we do it or tomorrow?
If you have to start from the scratch, or you already completed the steps?
No, I have to start from the scratch actually. I logged in and everything. It's just I have to click, click, click. That's it.
Right. So you can give your username first. You can put your username in the TradingView in the Zoom chat.
Yeah, I gave you that here, and I sent you that form actually. I filled out the form.
Oh, okay. Then you should already have access.
I just sent you that form actually.
So since we are going to do Replicant, should I connect one account to this TradingView, any of the prop from account, or how do we do it if I have multiple accounts?
Yeah, you have to connect any one account to the TradingView.
Okay.
Yes, Devi, I am giving you access. So Raghu, are you there?
Yeah, Kishore.
So do you want to buy any one more account from this company, or you want to buy from Allied Trader Fund? They have 90% off. Or you want to just stick with one account? It is up to you.
So I want to take two accounts actually. So one is from TakeProfit Traders, and which one you suggest? Elite Profit Traders, you said, right? Which is the best one you suggest me so that I'll take the.
So again, so number one is TakeProfit Trader. Number two is Tradify. Number three is like Allied Trader Fund. So yeah, Tradify, if you directly go, you can go to stage 2 without completing stage 1, but the plan will be expensive. So if you don't want to buy it, then you just go to, you can open a light trader fund. I will share the link.
And
Light trader.
I haven't paid anything for this TakeProfit Traders actually. I just signed in actually. So after that.
Okay, click on create new. Okay, select that 150K account. Yeah, go click on that arrow. Yeah, come down, scroll down, click on next. Yeah, you selected already that trade away trading view you selected, which is good. So yeah, say next. Yeah, now come down and you have to click on the credit card. So yeah, complete payment using credit card, and then you put all the check boxes. Select next.
Yeah, just let me unshare my screen.
Mm-hmm.
Meanwhile, I have transferred money to you, Kishore. Karthik here.
Okay,
For
got it.
Replicant.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you want a cheaper option, then NinjaTrader fund has 90% discount now. So Tradify is also good company, but it is little expensive because directly they give you stage 2. So if you want a cheaper one within $20-25 like that, then NinjaTrader fund is another good option for you. You can click on that link.
Okay.
So, Kishore, I just have one doubt. I'm trying to create an evaluation account in TakeProfit Trader. And when I click like the 150K, it's saying like $180 per month. And when I go to the checkout, like it is showing like 360 per month.
Can you share it once?
Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, click on the promo code, click on the add button, and yeah, put right choice there. Apply. Okay, it seems you did not log in. You have to log in again. Yeah, close this.
Yeah. Okay, now I can see 180.
All right.
Thanks.
Yeah, now you can click on that credit card or PayPal and provide the details. Then the account will be created. Yeah, select all those check boxes. Yeah, say okay. So yeah, Raghu, can you share it again?
Yeah, Kishore. So I just providing the details for LA traders.
Okay, yeah. So better you use same username, same password for all the companies, so you can easily remember.
Okay, let me.
Kishore, for NinjaTrader, right? So we need to select TradingView as the
right
trading platform, right? Yeah.
Right. And also it is better you select the end of the day drawdown. They have intraday drawdown, end of the day drawdown. End of the day drawdown is more easy to complete the targets. When you go to NinjaTrader fund evaluations page, you will have two options. Both have 90% off, but intraday is cheaper. If you pay $16, you will get a 50,000 account. Whereas end of the day drawdown will be $26 or something. But yeah, if you share the screen, I will. So here you have one-step evaluation, which is like intraday.
Okay.
Yeah, if you scroll down a little bit, so you have end of the day drawdown evaluations here. So yeah, if you select.
So what is the difference, Kishore? So what is intraday and?
Intraday means basically for every second it will calculate what is your realized, unrealized gains, what is your current gains like that. And then suddenly, let us say you made $2,000 with NQ, but you forgot, you missed booking the profits, right? You thought it may go a little more up. You missed booking and suddenly it dropped to 2,000 down.
Okay.
So that means your trail stop loss will get impacted by 2,000. Whereas here only at the end of
Srivatsa, I have a quick question. On the TradingView, would we be able to create alerts based on a combination of indicators?
No, you'll get only based on one indicator. So when you get a notification on one indicator, then you can go and check whether the other indicators are also showing the same confluence. Then we can go and take the trade. Yeah, again, end of the day drawdown is where as long as you don't hit the stop loss, right? You, for example, you missed booking a profit, but again next you made some profits, so it won't impact your trail stop loss. Only at the end of the day it will see what is the total gain you made or total loss you had on the day. So it is more easy to complete your evaluations with end of the day compared to intraday. So you can go with 100K or 150K. It's up to you.
I'll go with 150K.
Yeah, 150K. The advantage is you have a bigger trail, so right? You have up to 4,500 max drawdown. That means you have a bigger stop loss. Even if you make some mistakes, you won't lose your account. What the problem is, again, you have to make bigger targets. You have to make 9,000, then only it will move to a real account or where you can make money.
So then can I select 100K or below?
Yeah, you can select 100K is also good. So yeah, you can select all these options. And here you have to select TradingView. Yeah, so click on continue to payment. Yeah, proceed to checkout.
Why it is showing one?
Yeah, no, 430 is the actual price, but you are getting 90% discount.
Okay.
So it will be for lifetime. As long as you complete it, you will only pay $43.
So once the evaluation is done, so if I want to proceed further with the same allied traders, then do I need to again take the account?
Yeah, once you complete evaluation, either you can again go with monthly option, you can go with lifetime option. For example, lifetime, if you say I want to go with lifetime, you pay $120 for a performance account, and that will be for lifetime. You don't need to pay monthly again.
Or similarly for the TakeProfit traders as well, right?
TakeProfit Trader also, I think they have only lifetime option. TakeProfit Trader, you pay 120 one time, that's it.
Oh, with the
As long
everything. Okay.
no. In evaluation, you pay, right? You pay $85 or whatever based on your plan, you pay 180 like that. Once you complete your evaluation, to move to the performance, again, they will give you a new account.
Oh, that itself is a lifetime account.
Right, that is like a performance account.
Okay.
So that is where you can make money and request payouts. So that you can either get a monthly plan or a lifetime plan. So you're good. Did you complete it? So like this, you can create, right? You can have 5 accounts in one company, 10 accounts in one company. You can have any number of evaluation accounts, and it is up to you whether you want to get one or two or 5 company accounts. Once you do it, the next step is.
Yeah, once it's I'm almost done.
Yeah, if anybody started, right, join now, you can continue these steps. You can do the TradingView step later, because anyway, you also need this prop firm accounts, either Parag or Sridevi and others. So now Raghu basically is doing the step number 3, or step number 4, where he's signing up for different prop firms. He got one account from Elite Trader Fund. He got one account from TakeProfit Trader.
Kishore, I set up one at Apex and 3 accounts at Elite. So I'm gonna wait for the other firms actually.
Sure, yeah, that is fine. It is up to you. Like whatever companies you want based on your budget, you can this you
Right.
can select whichever you want. Yeah.
Okay.
So the next step everyone need to do is can you go to a new browser, new tab?
Okay.
Yeah, click on trader.traderweight.com. Trader.traderweight.com. And you have to now go to TakeProfit Trader for every company, right? If you signed up with 5 companies, you have to do this step for 5 times. If you just signed up with FX, you do only 1 time. Right? For example, now Raghu signed up with 2 companies. He need to repeat this step for 2 times. So yeah, Raghu, go to your TakeProfit Trader.
Okay.
Yeah, click on login here, because once you sign up with them, they will give you license for that company. Right? They will give you credentials.
A little bit confusing, Kishore, here.
This is just a one-time process, right? Yeah. Click on that futures 150K, click on that account. Yeah. So now you have your credentials here, right? You have to just copy these credentials. Yeah. Go to that, paste it here. In the same way, password also copy from there. Yeah, click on login. Yeah, scroll down completely. And you can select next. Yeah, click on next button. You don't need to select anything. Just at the bottom, click on next. You select the check boxes at the top and bottom. There are 2 check boxes. Yeah. And then you just paste your name. Yeah. And say click on sign. Then close. Yeah, scroll all the way down. And click on accept. Yeah, now click on that access simulation.
So this is we are linking our
Right, you are
performing
linking your trader weight with the trading view. So go to access simulation. Now, go and click on the top right. You can say done. And go and click on the top right corner. So sometimes go to add-ons. Yeah, your trading view is already activated. So for sometimes you have to go and click button here to activate your trading view, right? API, or so that you can now go to trading view. So open any chart.
Yeah, I think this one.
Yeah. So now go to the trading panel. At the bottom you see trading panel, right? Yeah. Now click on that. Make a trader weight as your favorite. Yeah. Now click on the trader weight. Yeah. Select a demo instead of live. Make it as demo. Now put the You have to just copy that, right? Whatever is there on the prop firm, go to your TakeProfit Trader and copy that from there. Right? They are giving you the username password. So yeah, you have to copy this username.
Sorry.
Yeah, click on connect. That's it. Now your trader, right? Your TakeProfit Trader is connected here. So if you take any trades here using the confluence between the three indicators, now it will start increasing your balance. If you take at the right time and close at the right time, then your 150 will become 159 in next 1-2 weeks. So
Okay.
now
So
you
here only one account is connected, right?
Yeah.
right, only TakeProfit Trader is connected now. Now you have to repeat the same steps. Now again go to TraderWeight. Go to the trader.traderweight.com.
Oh, okay.
So now log out. Yeah, you go to accounts or you close this and then go to that account and log out. Right, in between you have the account drop down. Yeah, there you click log out. Now if you have ETF, right? Now ETF will give you the credentials. Just to do the same thing with these credentials. So if you have 10 companies, each company will give you a different credential. You have to repeat the same process one time, only one time, right? Even though you may have 10 accounts, you don't need to do 10 times. Just you will do for every one company, you have to do this process one time. Now you cannot use indicators in TraderWeight. You can only use in the TradingView. Those username passwords are nothing, right? That won't create any issues. Whatever you see in the TakeProfit Trader or those things, that won't be any problem.
So once we log in with another account in TraderWeight, it is already showing that TradingView is activated. So we just go and connect there, right? In TradingView, if it is
Right.
already activated.
Right.
Okay. Okay.
So if we do it one more time for TraderBit, how do we add it to the TradingView, Kishore?
Yeah, I'll explain. Again, right? That's why we have Replicant.
Okay.
So yeah, now again go to the top right corner, go to add-ons. So now it is already activated, which is good. Sometimes the button will be not disabled. At that time you have to go and click on the button. But now it is already done, so you don't need to worry. So now, for example, if you want to log into this, right? You log out this from this TraderWeight, go to the TraderWeight drop down at the bottom. No.
Oh.
Beside the account, you have TraderWeight drop down, right? Come to the left.
TraderWeight. Okay.
Mm-hmm. So you have TraderWeight drop down there. Come to the left. Left. Yeah.
Okay.
Log out.
It's like a 180 time, connecting
Yeah.
180.
Right. You can only connect to one. That's why Replicant will help us to replicate. So now instead of now you copy those credentials from Elite Trader Fund. Maybe there might be some space issue or something. Just copy, pay. Right. So now you are connected to ETF. So if you take any trades now, then your ETF account will become PA account.
So how do I know which one is connected?
So yeah, once you you see that then ETF, you have ETF in the name, right? That means it is a light trader fund.
Light trader. Okay.
If it is TPT or something, that is Take Profit Trader. So by looking at the name, you know which company you are trading. Or when you are giving the credentials, you are copying it, right? From
Yeah.
Let's say I have Elite 3 accounts, so all three will be linked.
all the three, you will see them in the drop down. You cannot take all the, yeah. If you take one trade, only it will happen in one account.
Okay. Again, Replicant is
Yeah, that
useful.
is where Replicant will help us. Even though you take trade in one, in this ETF one or Take Profit Trader one, it will copy trades into all the other accounts.
But is it guaranteed that, let's say, if we connect to 10 accounts, it's going to buy and sell in all the accounts? We need not check it manually to cross check.
90% it will do, but sometimes your connections might get disconnected or something. So when you start trading for the day, you have to go and check whether your connections are everything is good or not. So now we are done with our step number 4. So Raghu, did you send $100 for the Zelle?
No, Kishore, I'm sending it now.
Okay, so we can
For the
also complete
Replicant,
the
right?
last, right, for the replicant.
Yeah. So
So
you can send it to
we can
your phone number.
complete the last step.
So can I send it to your phone number or your email ID?
You can do it for email ID. So is everyone clear? You need to make sure whenever you take any new company, you have to complete that trade await signature process. Then only you will be able to connect that account to the TradingView. If you don't complete that signature process, you won't able to connect.
Kishore, in signature it asks professional or non-professional, what to select?
Non-professional.
How would this be?
In the Take Profit Trader, right? When we are copying those names password, it was also showing NinjaTrader license key. What are those?
Yeah, that's what we are going to do in the next step. So because Replicant is a third-party tool for NinjaTrader, right? You cannot install Replicant directly somewhere in TradingView, or it is not a standalone application.
Okay.
So we install the NinjaTrader first, and then we install the Replicant in that. So that is the final step which we are going to do. But is everyone clear with first thing? We subscribe for TradingView, step number 1. Then you subscribe to the indicator, step number 2, and then you provided your username in the Google form. Then I gave access. So now you have access to the indicators. We completed the setup of those indicators. Step number 3, if you want to trade in personal accounts, you will open Thinkorswim or Webull or IBK or something like that. Yeah, again, it is up to you if you want to trade in personal or not. Then step number 4, whatever prop firms you want to use, you will go and take some accounts in those prop firms. So that is also done. So the last step is you want to use the scalability feature. So even though he's just taking trade in one account, you want that same trade to go into 5 accounts or 10 accounts. That is where the replicant will help us. So
Yeah,
Raghu,
Kishore,
can you?
I just
Yeah.
sent.
Yeah, sure. So can you go to Google and you can just say, yeah, no, not replicant. You just say NinjaTrader download. Oh, you are using Mac?
Yeah, MacBook.
Okay. You don't have, do you have VMware or something or Parallels?
No, Kishore.
Or do you have any other Windows laptop which you can use? Because NinjaTrader is a Windows app. You cannot install that on a MacBook. So you can, there is a process. There is a VMware process which I will send a link.
Okay.
But that will take 30-40 minutes. But if anyone else has Windows machine, they can share it. Right. So that we can, everybody don't need to spend 30-40 minutes with the
I have a
VMware
Windows
process.
machine, Kishore, and I'm downloading this NinjaTrader.
Okay, you can share your screen, Ankur.
And I'm sharing my screen. Let me know if you can see my screen. So Kishore, this one I did a Google to NinjaTrader desktop. Is my screen even visible?
Yeah, we can see it. Yeah. You have to select a NinjaTrader desktop.
Okay. And then get started.
Right. And then you can basically, put your email address. You can sign up. Yeah, you can confirm that email.
I'm just stopping my sharing, Kishore, and just opening up a
Yeah,
email.
sure.
This is the sweet one.
Hey, Kishore, I have a quick question over here. Which account should I have to join? It's a demo account or the live account?
Demo. Yeah, you have to select demo.
Okay, thank you.
There's something else we need. I used to do it, but then I forgot about it.
So it looks like futures already open, right? You're gonna do a separate session this evening.
Right. Yeah. Once we're done with this, we'll do a live session.
Okay. Yeah. So meanwhile, can you send that VMware process, because I think I also have a Mac. So.
Yeah, I sent it there. I'm also sending it here. I sent it in the premium channel.
My God, what are you doing? Ready? 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 Ready?
So I found my email. So let me share again.
No, they'll take it from here.
Dude, this way can be facing you.
Yeah.
Be facing you.
So can you click on
Okay.
login? Yeah, click on login.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yep.
you can just enter your credentials.
It only in the mail password has also come.
No.
So how about the password? Or it's a create user. Okay. Got it.
Or you
Oh
can
my
even
God.
you can just use that right,
We
whatever
have Alphaba in the home again.
TakeProfit Trader, you have the credentials, right? You can just use the same credentials.
Yeah, I'm using that. Right.
So
It's a Concord 2085. It's already created. Okay. I created the user.
click on login.
Okay.
Yeah, go down, scroll down. Yeah, not ready for live trading. Start a risk-free trial of simulated trading. Yeah. Again, you can put your info. Yeah, go to the next page.
But I'm gonna try to get both buttons to
Right,
go.
yeah. Come down, scroll down. You can
Desktop?
close. No, close it.
Okay.
Now go to the setting. Go to that top right corner. No, yeah. Click on that profile.
Okay.
Yeah. Go to settings. So go to profile.
Fine.
Yeah. Go to plans. Click on plans. Yeah. Scroll down. Yeah. You have import a license key. Click on that import a license key. Right out. Yeah. Yeah. Click on that button. Now go to your TakeProfit Trader.
TakeProfit Trader. I have Tradify. I used to have 150K account and I recently bought 50K for Elite Trader. 150K for Elite Trader.
Oh, okay. You don't
Intraday.
have any. You don't have any TakeProfit Trader. Okay.
No, I only have a Tradify and Elite Trader.
Okay. Okay. Then go to. Click on the NinjaTrader again.
Over here.
Right. Scroll down. There should be a download option here. Yeah. Go up. Just go to. So in Tradify, do you have the license key? Like Trader Fund, you don't have license. You don't have any Bullnox account also, right?
No.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can. Yeah, just go to Google again.
Okay.
And say just download NinjaTrader desktop. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's not IP here. Go back.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, right. Select that one.
Which one?
Select the trading simulation.
Okay.
Yeah, scroll down. Click on get started.
Get started first one.
Yeah. Or let me give you my license key because anyway I have multiple license keys. So it will be much faster. Yeah, go back to the.
If we have
go
take
back-
profit trader license key, we need to use that, right?
Right, yeah.
I did not did this step, Kishore, but it is still working. I did not input any keys.
Yeah, somehow I'm not able to see the download option for Anchor. Generally,
Oh, here it's download. Should I do that?
yeah, you click on download. Yeah.
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 We
Download.
put the license key on the tool.
So this is
I'm
our final step.
listening to some training questions.
Once this is done, we can basically start the live trading. Yeah. Click on NinjaTrader install. Right. All this is only
Go
one
get
time.
ready, Snana ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು get ready. By that time
But
I'll be done. And
once you do this one time, then yeah, from next day you just go to the trading view and take the trades. That's it.
Meantime, Kishore, what shall I do with my TradingView Connect and all other stuff? Initially I unable to do it.
Yeah, I'll share the video, Parag, after this. Then you can just follow those steps.
Oh, okay. Sounds good.
Or again, we have setup session tomorrow, and you can complete. But in meantime, you can open the prop firms if you want Apex or other things.
Which one? I did download Ninja. But,
Okay, good.
prop firms are open. Those accounts are open. Ninja is downloaded.
Okay,
TradingView
good.
is.
Yeah, you can complete all the steps. Then TradingView is only 10-15 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
done. Sure.
yeah, you can open the NinjaTrader app now. Go to click on that open.
Okay, think. Yeah, login.
Mm-hmm.
Simulation.
Right. Yeah.
Hey, when I try to install Kishore, it asks to update an MSI file. Is that okay, or did anybody get that?
Yeah, that is fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Something happened.
So we are doing only simulation, right?
Right. Okay. Live trading means where you are putting your own money and taking trades.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Now, yeah. So if everybody downloaded NinjaTrader, you can do the same steps like what Ankur is doing. Ankur, you can go to tools.
Tools.
Go to options, the last one.
Okay.
Yeah, click on options.
Daddy, सात आ गया.
Yeah, say yes. Yeah, you can just say yes for that.
Close this or?
Yeah, you can close all this. Yeah, we don't need all those ones.
Okay.
Yeah, go to tools again. We want go to tools option, open that window, options window. Yeah, now there is something called as a multi-provider. That means you want to connect to multiple brokerages or multiple prop firms. You have to check that box.
Click here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, say apply. Say okay.
Okay.
Right, now we need to create connection for each prop firm. So yeah, say okay here. Right, now go to connections.
Kishore, can you please hold on? It's still downloading and it's hard to follow.
Yeah, again, I'll share the recording. So you can just watch the steps one by one and you can complete it. So yeah, you can click on configure. Right, yeah, now scroll down. So what are the different prop firms you have? One is
Redify and EliTrader.
okay. Now go and select the NinjaTrader there. You have NinjaTrader, double click on that. No, little a bit above. Just a NinjaTrader.
Just NinjaTrader. Okay, double click. Okay.
Yeah. So now you change the connection name as Tradify. Right.
That will be
You
my
just
primary one.
Right, yeah. Make connect on startup.
Username and
And you
password.
right, you just copy, go to your Tradify dashboard and you put your credentials here.
Just stopping my sharing, Kishore, one minute.
So how do you get there, Kishore? Like you click on connections or tools?
Right, connections.
I only see simulation. I
You
need
have
to
to first
disconnect
go
first.
to tools options, and then you provide
Okay.
that multi-provider checkbox.
Okay.
Once you
Kishore, this is
do
my
that
Tradify login or Trader8 login?
Tradify login, or right in the Tradify dashboard page, you have that username password at the top.
Yes.
You have to copy paste those.
So this is my login to Tradify page, or inside Tradify there is Trader8.
Right, you have to copy those credentials: Trader8 username, Trader8 password.
Oh, inside. Okay.
So go to connections and simulation, right?
Go to connections and you have to click on configure button.
Okay.
And then you select NinjaTrader.
NinjaTrader. Okay.
Double click, or you can select NinjaTrader and click on add button.
Okay. I need to provide the user ID password here.
Right. Yeah. So
Same.
yeah.
It says
Yes.
optional username password, but still I need to provide. It's the same.
Yeah, you need to provide. Yeah. So for example, right here he provided TDY like that, right? You just go to your Tradify. So whichever is your prop firm, if you are connecting to Apex, you have to provide the Apex credentials here.
So
Whatever
the
on
first,
the
whatever on the TradingView, right?
right, whatever you used on TradingView, the same credentials you will give it here.
Oh, okay. Not the NinjaTrader ones. Got it.
So yeah, you can click on apply, Ankur.
Okay.
Okay, that you added one more FXCM, right? You can remove that. Yeah, say okay. Go to that FXCM, NinjaTrader
Sure.
FXCM. No, first go and remove that because that is blank now. Yeah, you click on remove button. Remove. You have
Where is
remove at the bottom.
Oh, at the remove. Okay.
Right. Yeah. Now go to Tradify again. Yeah. Now say apply. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now go to connections again. So if you have 10 companies, you have to go and configure 10 times. So now click on configure again.
Okay.
And then again select NinjaTrader one more time.
Yeah, NinjaTrader covered bottom. NinjaTrader.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you
this will be my Allied Trader.
right. Yeah.
Connect on
Connect
startup.
on. Right. Then again same thing. Go there and copy paste your username password from NinjaTrader.
That is will be, which is ETF, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sure. Again, apply.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. So if everyone, yeah, now you created the connections, you have to just click on them. So you are creating the you are establishing the connection. Yeah, just click on Tradify. And same thing, click on. So yeah, now go to accounts at the bottom.
Account at the bottom. Where?
You have tabs, right? Click on the
Oh.
accounts tab. So now your Tradify accounts came into the picture.
Okay.
Right.
So
Now go to connections and select.
Allied Trader.
Right. So like that, you can establish connections, and it seems you don't have any accounts for NinjaTrader. Maybe they hit stop loss, or there might be some reason, but it is not able to
I
pick
have
them.
not even started yet. I bought it on 14th Feb.
Oh, okay, maybe still they are not active because of the weekend. Sometimes it may take some time, but yeah, after some time you will see them.
So can I disconnect this simulation or this will always be there?
You can disconnect. It is not important.
So what are the checkboxes we need to select, Kishore? Like connect and startup, right?
Right. Yeah.
Got you.
And do we need to change anything like account simulation? Everything should be same, right? Only the
Yeah.
checkbox.
Right. So if you have 5 firms, 10 firms, whatever it is, 20 companies, you have to create all the connections for each company. And then once you click on those connections, they will get activated. So you have to see this green light or green buttons. That means the connection got established properly.
Okay. Same thing for the other account.
Right. If you have TakeProfit Trader, you do the
Like,
same thing. If you have Apex, you do the same thing. So you have to repeat the same process. Go to configure, give their credentials. Again, go to configure, give their credentials.
NinjaTrader also, I show you NinjaTrader. I've been using my ETF account. I can see this is my ETF. That's one I think, right? Maybe they have activated open liquidity.
Right, your account is not activate. That's why that account drop down is empty.
Okay, maybe they activated too much. What do I need to do to activate it?
Yeah, you just give some time or just raise a ticket with them.
Okay.
And if you raise a ticket, they will, because of long weekend or something, it might be slow.
So sorry, where do we need? How do we know it is inactive or active? Like if I go to connections, when I click on it, they turn to green, but I don't see anything. Everything is a blank screen.
So yeah, if you see some accounts here for that company, that means it is active. If you don't see any accounts, that means your that NinjaTrader accounts are not active.
Okay. I don't have I mean, I take profit trader also. It's nothing is showing up if I.
Mhm.
But I see the green light though, like green sim. You know.
Right,
Oh,
right.
you
Yeah,
have to click
because
on the account.
yeah, you have to click on accounts
Oh,
tab.
okay. If I click on accounts, I see everything.
Right. So
Oh, okay.
because Ankur has only one, so Arun, did you send Zelle money or anyone else who sent it? And
I sent you Kishore $100. Ankur here.
right, right. Yeah. I got yours, but because you have only one company, you cannot really see the advantage of Replicant. So I want to use someone else's system to show how to use Replicant. They can easily visualize how it is useful. Right. If your
Okay.
NinjaTrader is also active, then we'd have continued on this on your system. But is
Okay.
there?
Yeah, I did Karthik here.
Karthik, can you share your screen?
Hold on a second. Yeah.
So yeah, we are in the last 5 minutes. Once it is done, we can. Your setup is complete, ready. So yeah, for example, Arun got some account from Apex. He got from NinjaTrader. He got from TakeProfit Trader. So he created multiple connections. He can see all the accounts here. So now Replicanto is the software which will help us. So even though he take trade on one account, right? He may take it on Apex or Elite, whatever is on the TradingView, he takes only trade on there, but it will come to all these accounts. So for that, what he needs to do is, yeah, Arun, can you go to help? Arun or Karthik? Yeah, Karthik. Yeah, please go to help.
Come on.
Yeah, after connections, you have help.
Okay, yeah, this one. Okay.
Yeah, for Zelle, it is my email address is my first name dot last name kishore.ramaraju@gmail.com. So yeah, go to third party licensing and you have to put vendor name as Flowbots, right? Flowbots is that Replicanto is the product of that company, Flowbots. F capital, LOW, B capital, OTS.
OTS flow
Yeah,
bots. Okay.
right. And here you can put your last name or something. So in case in future, if suddenly if there is a security patch or something, if your mission ID changes, you have to give your last name to me. Then
Okay.
you click on submit. So now you copy paste that in the Zoom chat. So now I have to go to the Flowbots website and I have to paste this information. So yeah, copy paste. Yeah. Okay, I got it. So now I'll go to the Flowbots website.
But do I also need to do this and provide you, or I need to pay for that?
Your voice is breaking, Ankur. You cannot.
Do I also need to do this, provide you the flow service ID for licensing of my?
Yeah. Everybody who sent $100, they have to do the same steps.
I can
You have to.
licensing how to go there.
You have to go to help third party licensing.
Third party license. Okay. And my name will be flow bots.
Yeah, F capital LOW BOTS.
I'm
User,
sharing.
Yeah, if anybody already sent me $100 and you have your machine ID, you can copy paste in the Zoom chat. So I can add all your IDs at the back end. So only
Yeah.
send it if you send that
Flow
$100.
Flowbots gives me a wrong name. Flow and
F
is it
F
flow?
capital, there is no space. F capital LOW B capital OTS.
Sure. This is Pradeep. I sent $100, but mine is Mike Mac. Okay, I will be installing later by looking at the video, and
Sure, yeah.
we'll send it
Yeah,
later.
you can, yeah. So, okay, Ankur, I got it, Ankur. Okay. Srivatsa, I'm pasting all your information in the backend. So you all can do the same things.
So once we install offline, how do we send this information through email?
There is a Google form for that. You can paste it in the Google form, so I can add all that info into the Flowbots backend.
Or is that the indicator Google
No,
form or?
there is a separate Google form for Flowbots.
Okay, if we can post it, that would be great. Thank you.
Yeah. So Replicant. Okay, anyone else?
Sure, I also send $100 actually. So mine is also Mac actually.
Sure. Yeah, you can.
I'll transfer after.
Right. So yeah, Karthik, I sent a software in the premium channel. Can you copy that software from the Telegram? You have the above message, Replicanto message, right? That zip file.
Okay.
Same one. Yeah, you are seeing. Yeah. Right click there. Save as. Yeah, you can save it in downloads or anywhere.
Okay.
Yeah. So everybody can follow the same step. You just right click and save as. And then now you go to your Ninja again. Yeah, go to tools, import, Ninja script add-on. And you can just select that zip file. Directly select the entire zip file. Yeah, say open. So if anybody has OneDrive, make sure you uninstall it or unlink it. Otherwise, if you have OneDrive, it will create issues while installing. Yeah, say yes. Yeah, say yes. Yeah, it will ask you to restart. You have to just restart it. Then everything will be ready.
Restart the NinjaTrader.
Right, yeah. Yeah, say yes.
The password now, sorry. Where is this?
Yeah, whoever shared their machine ID, I gave access to all of them. Ram, Ankur, Srivatsa, Verma, Karthik. So I added all your information in the backend of Flowbots. So are you restarting? Karthik, are you restarting it?
Yes, yes, I'm here. Let me share my screen back. Okay.
Yeah. So now go to new. So he basically installed the software. Now you can say Flowbots at the bottom. So yeah, come all the way to the bottom. Click on Replicant. So now what we need to do is, generally which instruments you trade, Karthik?
Sure, I don't see that. How do they go to Flowbots?
You have to go to new, and at the
New
bottom you see Flowbots, the last option.
and Replicanto. Okay.
Yeah.
Take Profit Trader is the original one, and I think whatever you suggest, I guess futures.
Right. So, but generally, which one you mostly, right? You, for example, let us say ES, right? Go to instrument, the drop down, the first drop down, right? Yeah, type ES there.
This
Yeah,
one?
or you can select, yeah. So, and leader account, whichever your account you connected to TradingView, you have to make that as leader. If TakeProfit Trader or you may connect to ETF, whatever it is. So now your trade, this is your main account. So you are only taking trades on the TakeProfit Trader. But whenever you take ES, the same trade, now you select this Apex, the radio buttons. You have Apex radio button, well, right? Yeah, click on those radio buttons. So whenever you take a trade there, the same trade will come and copy in all these three accounts.
Okay.
right?
Only for ES or for everything?
Only for ES. Now go to the ES to the bottom on the tab at the bottom. No, at the bottom you have tab, right? Yeah. Right click on ES. See duplicate in new tab. Now go and change ES to NQ. Just type NQ. You can type NQ.
That's not working. Right.
Yeah, you can select NQ March. Yeah. Now you can do the same thing for all different, right? Again, click on duplicate, new tab. And now, yeah, don't select the drop down, just type GC or something. Yeah, go there and yeah, just delete everything. Yeah, select type GC and then you see GC future, double click on that. Yeah, because that will automatically pick up whichever has the highest volume, whichever is the current contract, it will pick up. So for
Okay.
example, you want to take silver. Now again, come here, do duplicate in new tab and you can type SI, right? And then select that silver futures, double click on that. Yeah, now go to the silver tab and you click on duplicate in new tab. You can put CL, crude oil, and yeah, right. For example, you want to do platinum. Yeah, right click, duplicate in new tab, and you put PL. Right,
Oh, we
yeah.
do for everything. We cannot have one like for all futures, US futures or something like that.
No, because there are 30, 40 tickers, right? You may not. So whichever you want, you can write. For example, yes, you may want to copy to only 2 accounts. NQ, you may want to copy to 5 accounts like that. So like
Okay.
that, whichever tickers you want to trade, you have to create a tab for each one.
So this NQ is for NQ, right? Not MNQ.
Yeah, that is only for NQ. If you take MNQ, if you want MNQ, you create a tab for MNQ.
Okay.
So you can just click on that
So
NQ.
generally, what do you suggest? Do we cover all of these, or do you have more you suggest, like alerts anytime?
You also take natural gas. You can duplicate a new tab. Type NG. NG for natural gas. Come all the way down. Yeah, NG futures. And
And
then
after March, do we need to change these, or they get automatic change?
they get automatically changed.
Okay.
Yeah, these are we can also take RTY YM. They are also we take in the morning time.
Okay.
Duplicate in new tab. So RTY means Russell. RTY. Yeah. Scroll down.
Kishore, for me, that the green buttons are like completely turned off. Like when I'm creating a duplicate tab.
You have to. Are your connections open?
Yeah, connections are open. In the first tab, I see that those are all green. But however, duplicate a tab, they're grayed out.
Yeah, maybe you might have when you clicked on duplicate new tab, you might have selected a second tab without saying duplicate, and then you are copying the second tab where they are already switched. But you can just go and manually switch them.
Oh, okay, got
Right?
it.
If you have 40, 50 accounts, right? Every tab you have to select all 40, 50 times, right? If you have only 2 or 3, it's not a big problem. You can manually go and select them. If you have 10 accounts from Apex, 10 from TraderView, 10 from Tradify, you have to, so instead of that, one tab you select and then you can basically say duplicate. Yeah, you can also create YM.
Do we suggest the crypto also or no?
Crypto, the value is very, very less. So generally we don't do.
Okay. Yeah. If not, yeah.
Yeah, these are the main tickers, right? If you just look at these, mostly, yes, we do. Sometimes if NQ, GC, silver, in the evening time, we mainly look at metals, GC, silver, crude oil, platinum. In the morning time, mainly we look at indices, US indices like ES, NQ, RTY, YM.
Okay.
So yeah, these are good enough. So now you go to workspaces.
Close this one. We don't do any of this, right?
Yeah, you don't
Sure.
no, don't close that.
One question here, Kishore.
Yeah.
So if I have one more account, like from Apex or Allied Traders, so do I need to again add this new account here?
No. By default, when you just disconnect connection and connect it, then automatically, if you have new accounts, all will get added there.
Okay.
Yeah. Go to that futures and click on save. Yeah, save as. You can put some prop or something, prop firms or futures one. Yeah, save. So now, whenever you are, don't close that Replicant window. You can just close the right. For example, if you go and add one more tab, you come here and save the workspace, so that every day you don't need to create that those tabs again and again.
I lost that. How did you save that Replicant page, this workspace?
Yeah, you have to just click on save button. Whenever you make any change to the Replicant, you click on save.
Where is the save button, Kishore? I'm still in that NQ, ES, and all the tabs.
Okay, yeah. Once you do that, do you want to add any other? For example, expand this, maximize this Replicant window. Yeah, go to YM and right click on that YM. Duplicate in new tab. And for example, you select MNQ there, right? Sometimes if NQ is too volatile, especially if you're a new trader, you can do MNQs instead of NQ. So in that way, you are taking a low risk. So now you go back to your workspace and just go and click on save. Yeah. Then your workspace will get saved. So whenever you want to close, you just close the NinjaTrader window, but don't close the Replicant window. Again, you have to keep it open, then only copy will happen. If you close this entire Windows Replicant window, then the copy feature will not work.
Oh, every day we open this and always.
Yeah, you don't need to do anything. Only thing is before you start trading, make sure all these are green buttons, right? That otherwise your Apex might got disconnected or Allied Trader might got disconnected. If you see some red button or some yellow button, go and restart your connection.
Oh, okay. I thought I can do it over the phone or if you are outside, but
No. Yeah, this one you just keep it open in the laptop. Then you can take your trades on the phone or whatever you want.
Okay.
Right. This one you only one time you created the connections. Now all you need to do from tomorrow or from today evening is just go to TradingView and take trades on that leader account.
Okay.
So if you have 20 or 30 accounts also, the leader account will copy all the trades to all these child accounts.
If I have to edit the workspace, Kishore, I want to add, let's say, something or more into workspace. How to go back to workspace?
You click on that workspace, and then you can, again, if you make changes to Replicant, you come here and do the save on the workspace.
Okay. Yeah, this one you said we are not going to close this, right?
Right, we don't close this one. You just keep it open. If you close it, then you may again miss all those tabs. You have to create again from scratch.
Oh, every day? If we suppose
No,
laptop restarted or anything like that.
if you close it, if you go to workspace and click on the workspace, it will open it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But for example, if you close this and then while closing NinjaTrader, it will ask, do you want to save? If you say yes, that means all your tabs are gone. Right? So for example, you are closing the Replicant window.
Okay.
And then you are closing the NinjaTrader window. At that
Okay.
time, it will ask, do you want to save the changes made to the workspace?
Okay.
Because you already closed Replicant window, that means you are saving with the latest changes.
Okay. So first you need to close the Ninja, then if any
Yeah.
chance, we close the Replicant later.
Right. Yeah. If you
If
close
you need to
NinjaTrader,
restart or anything like that.
right. If you close NinjaTrader without closing Replicant, all these tabs will be there.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah, that's it. So we completed all the steps. Now all the setup is done. If, for example, tomorrow Karthik want to get few more right ETF accounts or few more Apex accounts, all he need to do is go to connections. If he adds another one to Apex accounts, he will go to the Apex, click on disconnect and click on connect. That's it. You don't need to go to configure also.
Okay. You
Right?
got to click on here
Yeah,
and
connect that Apex, disconnect and connect.
oh, okay. So if it is the same company.
Yeah, same company. If it is a new company, yeah, you will go to configure. Again, you will add the credentials. And then you will all those accounts also will appear here. But if it is the same company, you don't need to do any configure. Just disconnect and connect. That will bring you all the new accounts.
So once this setup is done, we can take the trades from outside also using TradingView, right?
That is right. Yeah, you can use it from your mobile phone. You can take from a desktop. So you don't
But
need
how
any of.
but
So
how
you
can
are.
we make sure that this NinjaTrader is running?
That's where before you going to office or something, just make sure your connections are on, and then right, unless you have internet issues or power outage issues, generally it won't disappear or something will happen. So, but before you go to office or before you start taking trades, just to watch one time to make sure all the connections are on. If connections are off also, it won't be a problem, right? Only thing is the copy will not happen. It only trades will happen on the leader account, but not in the follower accounts. But for example, you took a trade on the leader account, the connections are off. Now you are going and switching on all the connections. Now, if you close the trade here on the leader account, that will take a opposite trade on the child accounts. Everybody got it?
Got it.
No, I
So,
got confused. Kishore, can you repeat it?
no, for example, your Replicant is off or your NinjaTrader is off, right? You took a trade on, you took a go long on GC or you took a short on GC. And you observed that, oh, I forgot to switch on my NinjaTrader, my copy is not happening. Now you went and you switched on your NinjaTrader now. And now you came and you thought, okay, I made some $100. Let me close it. You close this GC short trade. Then what will happen? You closed it. Now the copy will happen in all your child accounts, right? You closed a short
Oh,
trade. It will open long on all the child accounts.
so can I imagine it like a API call? When my NinjaTrader was off, one call API call went, but my NinjaTrader was off, it ignored it. Now, second time when let's say I took a long, now I'm
Right.
taking a sell again. Now, sell happened on buy also happened, sell also happened on primary. But since my NinjaTrader was off, earlier API call missed. Now, second
Right.
time when I sell did, since my API call went, so it took it as a short call.
Right.
Short.
Yeah. So that's why what
Okay.
you need to do is you close everything on the leader account and
Mm,
then you switch on your child accounts. Right.
okay.
That's what some new traders will make a mistake. They open some trades and suddenly they go and enable all the connections. And then you are basically taking all the opposite trades. Your leader will take long, that will take a short. Or you take a short and you do, if you are not watching, then yeah, your all accounts can get impact. So that's where you need to be little careful. If you do it right, then it will help you to make same right. If you are making 3,000 in one account, all your 10 accounts also will make 3,000. But if you are not observing whether the connections are enabled or not, then you may make 3,000 here, but you are making minus 3,000 in all the child accounts. So that's where you need to be little careful. To all you need to do is when you start taking trades on the day, just make sure all your connections are on or not. If they are switched off or something, you
So
switch
you're
on them.
saying go to every before you start the trade every day. So go to every connection and every of my workspace and see, let's say ESMQ, gold, silver, copper, everything is the
Yeah,
green symbol is coming.
just if you see that, right, if all the green buttons are on, that means that is good. You don't need to go to Replicant and go to each tab and check it. In the connections, if you see all the greens beside all the companies, that means all the connections are on.
Okay, so connections enough is good enough, right? For me,
Right.
Tradify and Allied Trader. If they're coming green, that should be good enough to check. Okay.
Yeah, that's it, everyone. Basically, we completed the entire end-to-end flow, starting from creating accounts, creating TradingView, creating alerts, adding watch list, and yeah, doing the prop firms, setting up, installing NinjaTrader, installing Replicant. So this is a one-time process. You don't need to worry. Only thing, from tomorrow, whenever you want to take trades, make sure connections are on. Then you go to TradingView and take the trade. Whenever you see a proper conference or whenever I see a good setup, whenever I share, okay, now yes, there is a magic pattern forming. Let us take a shot. Or NQ, there is a magic pattern. Or gold is looking good for short. Then you take the trades. Whenever I say, okay, let's book the profits, you can book it. And in the same time, you'll learn, and you can also become independent, take the trades independently. So anyone has any? Yeah.
Sir, how do you take the options trades?
Option trades you have to do in a personal account, right? You watch it on the TradingView and then you take it in the personal account.
Okay. And is there any other tool to place for multiple accounts just in case, like a Thinkorswim?
No. So yeah, you don't have any such tools which will copy options. Then basically, if you see a magic pattern here, you see NQ is dropping, you go and take QQQ puts or you take SPX puts. Or you see ES is going up or NQ is going up, you buy QQQ calls, SQQ or SPX calls, PI calls, or
So
you do bull put.
you take the option trades in the Thinkorswim, is it?
I take in mainly in IBKR.
Okay. The dashboard is actually the overview from IBKR?
Right.
Okay. Thank you.
Kishore, quick question. So I have a Tradify account, which is a SIM funded one, and that account allows up to like 4 child accounts, right?
No, you can have any number of child accounts, right? Tradify is telling that they will give you up to five of Tradify accounts, but you can have five for another 4 child of Tradify. You can have 20 Apex. You can have 20 Elite Trader Fund.
Okay. So, but the max I can use five accounts from Tradify, right? And I have to
Right.
use Replicanto to follow the same process.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, Parag, do you have any other questions?
No, actually not as of now. I have to set it up. So when you send me that video, I mean the recording, I'll do it by my own. If I have a question, then I can connect you tomorrow.
Right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sure, I have a question. If you allow, I can quickly share my screen and ask that question.
Yeah.
So Kishore, while we were in this session, I took a trade on basically
No,
NQ.
never take a trade when you cannot have 100% focus.
Okay.
Right? Because you are listening to this, watching this, doing steps. So why you want to take a risk?
Okay.
Right, I saw that. Yeah, I saw that you have unrealized
Yeah.
loss. Yeah, nice. Yeah, but it is always right. Why? Because right, especially when you are copying into multiple accounts, it may impact bigger loss. So better. Uh, so did you took a short or long?
I actually took a short, Kishore. Actually, when you see this one, the first one, the magic pattern, I thought it's forming this red dot. It started coming down. I had orange, and I had to be very, very, very cautious. I bought it when the candle's wick was touching my T5. So I took it somewhere here, but then suddenly it's, and why I took it is over here is, if you look at here, I'm almost approaching premium, and if I draw a line here where I bought it, 1 minute.
Yet your price pulse is still right. Your candle is above the price pulse.
My candle is above the price pulse. Where do you see that? My candle is here, right? This candle is below.
Yeah, where is the price pulse line?
Price pulse is here.
So where is the candle? Is it above the price pulse or below the price pulse?
Oh, it's above the price pulse. So
Right.
even
So
for magic pattern also, I have to see the candle below the price pulse.
right, that's where it gives a nice gap between those white line and red line. So now it is creating a real magic pattern. Right now the price pulse line is turning red. Your candle is below the price pulse line.
Yeah, now this is below the price pulse and this is red, this is orange, and if I look at here, this is falling. So if I take a shot, should I take a shot here, wait for it till my wick?
Wait. Yeah, wait. If price comes and touch that T5 line, that is much better opportunity.
Much better, right? Put a sell limit here.
Right.
And Kishore, what I thought was at that time when I bought it, see my sell order is so much huge in premium. I took somewhere the sell limit somewhere here or here. But then after that, I don't know, with so many orders, it went up. I took minus 400, something around that. But I still kept it. But kept my buy stop just above the premium.
Yeah, that's
And
what I told you, right? If it is a personal account, you can hold the trade. But in a prop firm, you need to be, all we need is a perfect setup. You need, right? You have to find a reason to not take a trade. So when you show me a trade, I should not have a question. Oh, why you took Ankur? Why price pulse is still blue or candle is still above that price pulse? Why you took a trade, right? So then you will, right, because maybe if that candle drops, next candle drops, then easily you'll make $200-$300 with NQ short, EA short.
So Kishore, like if I say this one, I took a note of other days. I went through a video multiple times. So my summary was for price magic pattern was trend change alarm comes. Your T5 is overbought and is falling, red color. Sell orders are there. Price pulse is red. Gap between red and white.
Can you go to the previous screen again?
Okay.
So if you see the difference earlier and now,
it is going up.
One is that price pulse is the main, right? Your price pulse is still, your candle is above the price pulse.
So I should not take this. I should not take the sell limit, right?
Yeah, better you wait for candle to go below the price pulse.
So then I should wait. Basically, T5 should be below my price pulse. Otherwise, always the price, if I book a sell limit here, always price will be above my price self. So let the T5 fall below, right? Price pulse.
Right. So mainly, if your price pulse is looking red and your candle is below the price pulse line, that is the best opportunity.
But then if my T5 is red, price pulse is red, and you're asking me to book sell here, then obviously price will go above anytime above price pulse. So I should only book a sell when my price pulse, my T5 is below price pulse. That's the only option for me, right?
Right.
So wait for this T5 to keep on coming this point.
Yeah, I'll start live session in few minutes. I'll explain. So yeah, let us focus. If anyone has any other setup questions, let me know. If not, we'll start live session in 10-15 minutes and I'll explain all these things in the live session.
Thanks, Kishore. Thank you.
Yeah.
You're going to explain the indicators and how to use them, Kishore?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Yeah, anyone has any questions? Otherwise, in 10-15 minutes, we can start the live trading session. We can make some $200-$300 in each account. If you have 10 accounts, that is a $3,000. At the same time, you can also take in your personal accounts or like that. Yeah, if there are no other questions, yeah, let us stop here. And then at 7 p.m. Central, we'll start a live session. I'll share the link in the same channel. Okay, everyone, I will also share the recording in some time. So if any members who did not do all the steps, they can watch the recording and they can do it. If they have any questions, they can ping me later or tomorrow morning or tomorrow, and we can help them to complete all the steps. Okay, everyone, talk to you in 15 minutes.